Is it the right time to make a decision on Coinbase stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Coinbase. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 30, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest analyses. Stay updated so you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Optimize your trading decisions with the help of our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI's capabilities and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 31, 2023, our system has identified Coinbase as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.71. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 61.72% since we first recommended Coinbase as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 2.81% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. Typically, we can expect the stock to react and move back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $129.36, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 35.95% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from -9.23% to 41.00%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 63.07% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return ranging from -2.92% to 68.23%. In terms of price, we could see the stock trading between $121.08 and $209.82 after a year. Our latest daily update for Coinbase brings some important news. The Coinbase stock price ended at $124.72 on Thursday, experiencing a decrease of 2.43%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, November 30, 2023, the Coinbase stock price fell from $127.82 to $124.72, reflecting a decline of 2.43%. Throughout the day, the stock's value fluctuated between a low of $118.40 and a high of $127.14, a significant fluctuation of 7.38%. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has shown a remarkable increase of 27.07% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as it should follow the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 335,000 shares, while a total of 14 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.69 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can observe that the highest price reached was $131.42, while the lowest price was $31.55. At present, the stock is trading 5.1% below its 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $6.70. Furthermore, it is trading 70.96% below its all-time high, which occurred on April 14, 2021, when the price reached an impressive $429.54. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Coin a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 7, 2023, it was reported that Wedbush gave Coin an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, October 12, 2023, it was reported that Oppenheimer gave Coin a perform grade with a hold action. On Friday, August 4, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Coin a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, August 4, 2023, it was reported that Raymond James gave Coin an underperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Coinbase stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as also a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Coinbase. The Coinbase stock shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. The relationship between these two signals also suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average being higher than the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support from the lines at $118.69 and $90.56. However, if the stock falls below any of these levels, it may issue sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. While some negative signals have also been observed, they may have an impact on the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, resulting in a -2.77% decline so far. The stock is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Fortunately, the volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that you might find valuable for your trading strategy. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently indicating a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, showing a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal that occurred 18 days ago. If we look at the short-term moving average, it also generated a buy signal 23 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal that was triggered 23 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 23 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart analysis, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average generated a buy signal 23 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages confirms a buy signal that occurred 12 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Coinbase. Coinbase has found support from accumulated volume at $119.77. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can be highly volatile, meaning it may experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $8.74, equivalent to 7.38% of its value. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 7.2%. Before we start discussing the potential trading levels for Coinbase, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's begin with the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they are either experiencing losses or not making any profit. Even well-established companies can face periods of decline, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has negative PE ratios, it may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 20, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.220. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Coinbase. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $127.82. If you don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Coinbase faces its first support level at $119.77. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound in the near future. The average rating for Coinbase, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now let's delve into some recent insider trades. Gruel Paul, one of the insiders, recently bought and sold a total of 45,829 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 43.823. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 7,807,027 shares and sold 2,981,681 shares. Today, we'll be discussing a stock with a recommended stop-loss set at $119.39, which represents a decrease of 4.28%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn poses a high level of risk for investors. To further highlight this risk, the RSI 14 currently stands at 86, indicating an increased level of vulnerability. In addition, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top identified just 2 days ago. Is Coinbase stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend, suggesting that Coinbase stock may present a buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected some overvaluation in the current price, indicating a potential risk. Looking ahead to Friday, December 1st, we anticipate Coinbase to open with a decline of -$1.30, starting trading at $123.42. Before we begin, it is important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for investment guidance. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. And don't forget to let us know your target for the stock. If you find this information helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.